Hello, we're Ruth and Shawn from Kids Invent Stuff.
And we bring to life kids' invention ideas.
Kids invent stuff.
It's YouTube Maker's Secret Santa time again.
It's that time when we team up with some awesome YouTubers from around the world to make each other presents.
And this year, it's bigger than ever. Look at all these awesome makers.
Okay, so it's time to find out who we're actually making for this year.
Okay, so we are making for...
Drum roll!
the Hacksmith.
What? So what do we know about the Hacksmith?
Well, he's in a magazine.
He's got a beard.
I think he's Canadian.
They've got 21 employees.
Where do they put them all?
They must stack them all.
They build so many things.
They must work so hard.
So every YouTube Maker's Secret Santa, we build a kid's invention idea on this channel to send to a YouTube maker. And we've found the perfect one for James the Hacksmith. 10-year-old Sophia sent us her idea for a portable sofa you wear on your back, and we have a plan for how to make it in budget. We've got some of this leftover foam from a previous project, and we found this lovely pink fabric on offer, so it just fits within the budget, and we think it'll be perfect for the Hacksmith. Now we've got to put it all together, make a sofa, send it to Canada. What could possibly go wrong?
A few moments later.
Yeah. And that's the only option? Yeah, okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
That sounded problematic.
Do you want the good news or the bad news?
What's the good news? Always the good news first.
The good news is we're making a sofa for the Hacksmith.
I knew that already.
The bad news is if we want said sofa to arrive in Canada with any chance of it arriving on time, it has to get picked up from here tomorrow.
What?
Yeah, so currently this...
We have to build an entire sofa and
Yeah.
package it ready for tomorrow.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't even told you the price, but yes, it has to leave tomorrow. So, what are we welding?
No welding. This is a different kind of project.
I mean, it's a festive shot. You, the Christmas tree, a knife. It just screams Christmas.
Slicing foam for Christmas.
We've attached our foam armrests, and to give them a little bit more structural rigidity, we're going to put in some dowels, and we've made these a little short so that anyone sitting on the sofa is not going to impale their arm on a dowel. And we tried many ways to install these. The best way is just brute force, just whack the thing into the arm. So we've got one, and we're going to install 3 on each arm on each side.
You stab that foam, Ruth. Stab it. Stab the foam. There we go.
There we go.
Very professional.
I guess we should have realised if we were making a tiny sofa that someone would think it was a dog bed.
So Sophia's invention is portable, which means we need some straps so the Hacksmith can wear the sofa. So we're going to hack up this old rucksack, take off the straps, attach it to the sofa. So we've attached our rucksack straps to the back of our sofa to make it wearable.
Ruth, just do some funny little dance so I can put some Christmas music over here for the entertainment of the people on the internet. There we go. We hope you enjoyed that, internet.
You do realise there's more than just laying the material out, Shawn?
Oh, I thought that was the job done. We've got some pink stuff. It's going to be a pink sofa. Job
Wrap,
done.
you can wrap yourself in the pink stuff and we'll ship you to the Hacksmith. Happy Christmas, Hacksmith!
I'm a pink festive burrito.
Ruth, how many hours have we been sewing for?
Far too long. Why couldn't we have just sent him one? Why do we have to make one from scratch? Hacksmith team appreciate the work. It's like handmade. People pay a fortune for handmade fake leather sofas. So with the gift, we like to send a card. We've made one. We've got Sophia's drawing on the front, and this one you can record a message. So
We've got a lovely message to record for the Hacksmith.
here's a little poem.
Ready, steady.
Merry Christmas, Hacksmith crew.
Here's something from us to
We
you.
noticed you all work too hard
So here's a present and a card.
to help you chill when things get stacked.
A portable sofa for your back.
Designed by Sophia, who's 10 years old.
And engineered by us to bend and fold.
Just strap it on and you're away.
Then sit and clip and chill all day.
Happy Secret Santa! It's recorded.
I mean, it's cheesy.
Here's something from us to you.
Job done.
I do kind of feel like this is totally out of our comfort zone. Shawn and I barely sewn anything. We've made a handful of things on this channel that involve sewing. This is like a full sofa with foam and structure. So please forgive whatever this thing looks like at the end, because if it was up to us, it would be like wood and metal, but that would cost way too much to post.
So we had a little tiny bit of budget left, so we bought some stuffing, some cuddly toy stuffing that we are shoving in to make it extra comfy for the Hacksmith. Look how comfy that is.
It does look really comfy. So on Sophia's drawing, as you're wearing the sofa, it kind of folds away from underneath you. So we need a way of connecting our top bit to our bottom piece in a way that will like hinge open. Here's the plan. We have these 4 bits of strapping and they're going to be connected to this bottom bit and also this top bit, and hopefully that will be enough to be able to wear the sofa and for it to hinge while you sit on it. Fingers crossed. This is the bit where suddenly 2 bits become one horrendously complicated thing to work on. So we have to like stick these bits on the other side of the foam without sticking it to this bit, so we've got to get more stuffing in there, while also being able to sew over the top of this. If you're confused, we are too.
And we're going to do it all in about an hour and a half.
1 hour later.
You've got crazy hair.
This is the hair of someone who hasn't had enough sleep. Our first test of sitting down with the sofa. Here we go. Oh.
And then you clip it, which we haven't actually finished yet.
Clips.
Does it feel good?
Pretty comfy.
Nearly there.
Got to finish it and post it in half an hour.
It's done!
All we've got to do now is pack it up and put it in a box.
Give it to the postman, and off it goes to Canada.
Oh, and then we can sleep.
I'm so exhausted.
Ho ho, Hacksmith!
I mean, you could actually be him.
Secret Santa's here! Just say fragile.
Just hit it. Break it before we open it.
Right, who's it from? Who's it from?
What is in the box?
It's a card!
Shall I open it?
Yeah, open it. Let's have a look.
Twinkly Christmas wishes card. And inside it says, Dear kids invent stuff. My name is Alan. My name is Alan and I am 31 years old. I like staying hydrated, but my cups always run out, so I made a magic bottomless cup. I hope you like it.
Bottomless cup.
Ooh.
Let's figure out how this thing works.
Okay, so we've got it all ready.
And Alan has made us a refilling cup.
Look at that!
Look at it go!
So we're pretty sure this is inspired by the scene in Thor Ragnarok where Doctor Strange magics Thor's tankard. It's a tankard, isn't it?
It's a tankard.
It's
It's a tankard.
Magics Thor's tankard to refill with beer. Yeah, so we have a refilling cup.
And it only leaks a tiny bit.
I think we now need to properly test Alan's engineering by seeing what else we can pump through this.
And hopefully not break it. Welcome to round 1 of What's in the Tankard, where each of us have chosen 3 mystery drinks to feed to the other, and the other person has to guess what they are by look, smell, and taste alone. Let's play!
Okay, so this is very technical, but Ruth is facing the other way, and while she's doing that, I'm going to load in the first beverage into Alan Pan's infinity tankard, and she will have to guess what it is.
Water.
Okay, water first. There was water in the system first.
Water.
Here comes the not water.
Blood.
It's not blood.
It smells like a plant. It smells like a vegetable.
It is a plant and it is a vegetable. Give it a taste.
It's beetroot, isn't it?
That's 1 point for Ruth. The thing that's going in is this. Ooh.
Oh. It smells really sweet now. It smelled horrible for the first few seconds, but it smells really sweet. There is a slight taste of beetroot still. I think it's some sort of milkshake. I'm guessing if it's supposed to be this colour, it'd be strawberry, but it currently tastes a bit like beetrooty.
Okay, it's third round time. Ruth's got to guess what this is.
Oh my god.
Here it comes. There's such great sounds.
I know exactly what this is, literally by smell alone. That is definitely custard. We used custard in our first ever invention on this channel, and it will always be memorable.
I had 15 litres of it fired at me from a superhero suit that Ruth was wearing.
Shawn's turn.
What's in the tank? It's like pond water. Smells kind of healthy. I'm guessing like some kind of smoothie? Definitely tastes kiwi fruit. Ka-ching! Smells like soup.
Taste it, taste it.
It's definitely some kind of like vegetable. I mean, what is that colour? Carrots! Is it carrot juice?
Very thick.
I'm 98% sure that this is tomato ketchup.
No. Drink it, drink it.
It's definitely ketchup. Alan, thank you so much. We have loved testing out your invention.
If you want to see how and why Alan made this, check out his video. And if you want to see the Hacksmith open our gift, check out their video. We'll make sure both of those are linked in the description of this video, along with a playlist of all the other amazing makers who have joined in with this year's Secret Santa.
And if you know of any kids who might like their invention ideas brought to life, then on our channel, we build kids' ideas. So if you send them to our website,
which will appear on the screen below,
and we will be building some more kids' inventions very, very soon.
see you next time.
Bye!